Hey guys, check this out. There is a new art studio, John's Place, that has reopened in the heart of Slab City. Join me, shall you, while we go explore some cool artwork and meet the artists at this unique location off-grid in the Southern California desert. In this video, we are going to take a tour with John around his camp. John will show us some work in progress, as well as the artwork inside Deb's old booth, which has now reopened as John's Place.
There you go.
Today I'm delivering lunch for John and
there
Nerd.
you go, Nerd. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Stick around, and in a little while I will be meeting one of the locals named Sergio.
Oh.
Hey guys, before we go to John's Place, I'm going to pull over on the side of the road here and have a quick conversation with one of the locals.
I want to be a notary, and I'm his friend, and I listen and I dance.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yep.
Thanks, appreciate it.
He has dilated.
I love the outfit.
Oh, thank you.
That's awesome.
Colors,
And when I
colors.
asked him why he was doing this,
I'm from, I believe through and through. I bleed red from the CCP. I'm from the Chinese communist. I'm a communist through and through. Only 12. There can only be no more nor less. If not, they ain't a communist like me.
All right.
this is Sergio. So, recyclables, and he's going to be a resident. And I asked him to get a solicitor's permit so that the police will know him and they won't be scared of him. They'll know him, and all he needs is a little permit.
Okay.
And everybody will know him by then. See.
And
I
I
see.
Bible's
He
nonprofit.
needs some good publicity,
I'm thinking
and
about doing that.
just trying to get legal and identify himself. Would
Okay.
be good stuff.
So that's what you mean by notary.
Hey, I'm taking requests and shots. Will, what song do you want to hear next? We got the big speaker on. What song would you like to hear next?
Let's let Willie choose.
Yeah,
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Okay?
Same old song, same old result.
Wait, you delivering?
No, I just
Or
want.
soliciting?
No, I'm just getting out my new hat.
Get the permit, you'll be legal.
I like it.
You know what? I'm going to the dog race, the dog races over Kentucky Derby. That's where I'm going to go. I'll be parking lot primping, just selling single cigarettes in the parking lot at the.
And chasing your tail.
You make that happen.
All right,
So we should talk to the Hernandez at the post office.
which is me.
At
Well, I'm
the
in
fire station. And the fire station needs a new American flag. It's too shabby.
All right.
We don't like being needy though. This is true though. There's laws against that. To have a ripped up flag. I've heard.
You're right.
Yeah, I follow the
I need to
leader.
roll my
Who's in
razor
charge?
wire back into
Who's
the
in charge here?
garden.
I'm your bitch's dog.
Well, I'll see you soon. I got to get back to my camp. Thanks, Sergio. Hey, John and Nerp, how you guys doing today? Beautiful day today. We got some sunshine.
We got a little witty banter going on here.
Who made this one?
I'm not sure who. I think maybe Deborah did. I'm not absolutely sure.
It's beautiful.
This is a Queen Bee. This is a Nerps.
Yeah, we're trying to clean it up, punch some art out. The original owner ended up passing last year, so we're trying to keep it going in her honor.
I don't know about trivia. I don't know.
Oh, did you come down for the fucking New Year's?
Yeah.
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 The party we had.
Oh, you guys had a party?
We got rained out.
Did you?
Over.
Oh, over at the range.
They were trying to get it all together and do stuff, and like there's a short in one of the wires of the lights or some shit.
Yeah, it's like sparking and.
Yeah,
And I'm just there going, oh, the place is going to burn down. I said, the place is sopping wet. It's not going to burn down. But, you know.
Well, hey, I brought you guys some lunch today. A couple of chicken sandwiches with some fries.
And the fries?
There you go.
Double you.
You're welcome. There you go, Nerd. You're welcome.
Yeah. We're in New Hampshire.
There you go. Enjoy. And here's a couple
Thank
of
you very much.
waters. Yep, you're welcome.
Oh, here, do you want a sticker?
Sure.
Look,
Oh, sweet.
sticker.
Yeah.
Thanks, Nerp. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Those were fucking delicious.
They were extremely edible.
They were great.
Glad
You
to,
made a good sandwich.
glad to hear it.
It was great cookie, Harry.
Thanks.
Gavin or George, whatever name it is that begins with P.
If you were to sell it, how much would you ask for it?
Oh, like 40. Yeah, I made a bell for Wrangler. I made a bell for Carla. Who else got a bell? I was gonna have like a whole bunch of bells and name them like the Slab City bell, Slab City bell. Who's the other one? Anyway, yeah, I was gonna have the prize bell, and then I was gonna have an empty slot where there was no bell. It would be the no bell prize. Yay! I think I've seen her in a video.
Yeah, you like bells?
Sure.
Do you like bells?
When bells were being made, you know, cast for the cathedrals in Europe and stuff, that's how they came upon the skills to cast cannons. It was peacetime, they could melt them back down again and make bells out of them.
Cool.
Oh,
John's place?
yeah, actually Dave found this out in the wash. That might be kind of appropriate. Oh, yeah, right here. Somebody ran over on my other side.
That's
Put
all.
up a cash after.
That's awesome, dude.
Wish I knew how to. Tom Roll, the intention is here, and we just have to finish collecting about at least 10 more pallets, I think. But we want to have a wall up, like an L shape. I believe this covers. And get the legs in straight. They'll fit right in that slot there.
Cool.
And pallets together.
Yeah, this is a nice big slab. A lot of potential.
Yeah, I was just getting this one. I didn't want to see my friend have to pass away for me to get it. And I remember I came here with that intention.
You're talking about Deborah?
I talk about James, who I got the slab from.
Mm.
And Deborah, I got the rest of the camp from, the back camp here.
What is that back there? Like a pallet house or something?
This?
Yeah.
That's a screening house, which we spend most of the summer. Except when it's raining and trying to get this pool table out of here. Well, person who owns it. It's sitting there for about 10 days now. Hope it don't rain on it again. Hey, Richard!
You don't mind if I show this on?
I don't mind. From England, some, I don't know. This is like a phone booth that the police used to, before they had walkie-talkies and stuff.
So we wanted to keep it going because like we felt it wasn't right if it just like if we just let it go to the wayside. This was done 2 years ago. I just tend to. There's like a little shop of horror type theme. It's yeah, no, it's like one of the plants, and it's just like I kind of like wanted it to look more like a Hydra, So it's like it's considered one plant, but like there's multiple heads and that. And fucking like that fucking took me maybe a couple weeks, few weeks maybe 3. Well, it's a mushroom on the moon, watching the sunrise from sunrise on planet Earth.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's been in storage, so it's like a little dirty right now. Fucking, but there's a little bit more vibrant colors than when I originally painted it. No matter how hard she paints on the painting, it just still comes out blank. But then she doesn't realize that like the painting's all around her.
April. I guess it's weathered pretty good.
Come on out, say hi.
Where are you located?
We're located on just after 750 Beale, right across the street from the range.
Right across from the range?
Right across from the Marine Corps sign here.
What do you
Stop,
have for
say
sale?
hi, and if you don't see us out here, there's a bell you can ring, and someone will. Oh, the bell's right out front, right there. In front of that chair.
Oh,
Well, we got some paintings here. I don't have currently any of my paintings out, but these ones were done by John.
and this is from Becky's stuff.
Yeah.
Becky
There's
got
more
one.
Becky stuff down there too.
And I got a bunch of Brian's. I don't know what to do with them.
That's awesome.
These are all 3 of these are yours, right, John?
Yes. The eye of the two. As are these here.
Oh, great job, John.
Got a little sunblasted. Just an effect.
Who made that?
Me?
Oh, nice.
That's one of mine. I did a small series of octopus paintings last year, year before. Abia, Abija.
What you got there?
Oh, this one's been hanging up since April. I guess it's weathered pretty good. I had like 5 rainstorms.
Come on out, say hi.
Where are you located?
We're located on just after 750 Beale, right across the street from the range.
Right across from the range?
Right across from the Marine Corps sign here.
All right, cool.
It's big, but I had Potter John did those signs. Yeah. That's an asset.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Well, yeah, that was one of your earlier ones, huh?
Yeah,
Here.
no, that's only a year ago. The one I just showed him was older, the fucking moon mushroom.
Yeah, that.
But and like a lot of the colors in the back glow in the dark and shit. Like I said, I gotta clean up a lot of them. What's that? Yeah, I think the pink one's all glow in the dark. And then some of the purple is too. I just tend to fucking paint things that interest me sometimes.
What inspired this piece?
I don't know. Fucking candy and fucking skulls, I guess.
One, can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Oh, it's just it's literally like a fucking it's yeah, no, it's like one of the plants, and it's just like I kind of like wanted it to look more like a hydra. And so it's like it's considered one plant, but like there's multiple heads and that. And fucking. I think this one's already spoken for. I just haven't been able to give it to the person yet.
Cool.
I mean, I try to have a place that's conducive to creativity.
You're one of the people that I've seen progress the most with his art.
Yeah, he didn't paint it all till he painted on that.
Well, I honestly, he really didn't even show any kind of artistic outlet or anything. I don't know until like a couple years later.
He started on
He got
hardwood.
Kitty, then he got Kitty, and he started doing art and other shit. Even his outfits he puts together are pretty slick right there. Quite artistically put together. One of my favorite artists, man.
And one of my favorite musicians too. Because he wears two hats.
Fuck that, I'm my favorite musician.
I said one of my favorites. I didn't say me. See, about 4 years before, and when I got into the trailer park, I went for my first nature walk, and going into the woods, come along here, right by the rock like that, a tree like that, and this is even crazier. There was a baby skunk, a rabid skunk. I seen it come right out and go, fall over dead.
It fell over dead.
Yeah, making a weird noise.
It's an interesting story, John.
Well, it's true. Just like the one about the space shuttle.
Well, I didn't hear that one.
Okay, well,
like
hey, nothing's gonna get in the way.
All right, John. Well, I think I'm going to take off.
Okay, thanks so much, Gavin.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate you. You're a very generous person.
I appreciate you, John, and everything you've done here. Looks really nice.